pack hangers. Good morning. It is Tuesday, June 13th. I am deep into packing. I wanted to share that I got these awesome bags. They're made out of that same material that you, when you go to IKEA and you get those blue bags with the yellow handles, it's the same material, plastic, and they're really big. This is all of the pants, shirts, dresses, and skirts that I'm gonna bring with me in one suitcase. And now I'm packing shoes. But the great thing about these is that after you unpack them, look at that, they store flat. So you don't have to have big bulky suitcases in your space when you're traveling. So I will link them below after I am able to. For now, I can't do that. But I just wanted to share for the future. Look at my room. Oh my gosh. It's actually not too bad. But it's Tuesday and I close on Friday and it's not enough time. My realtor texted me yesterday and she said, "Don't forget your closing is on June 20th. And I was like, yay! Yay! I thought it was the 16th. And I wrote her and I said, I think that's incorrect. I think it's the 16th. Please confirm because I'll have to change my ticket. And she said, she just texted me this morning and she said, you're right, typo, it's the 16th. And I'm like, darn it. Oh, I was so happy to have 4 extra days and I don't have 4 extra days. So anyway, I'm doing this packing in stages. So I have to pack up my entire house. So what I'm doing first is just packing for the summer because I'm doing a bit of slow travel. So I'm gonna spend a month in the States with a friend. So I'm packing, but I'm not just packing for the month. This is a lot for the month because if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I went to Portugal for 5 weeks with no checked luggage. So I don't need a lot of stuff when I'm with me. I'm fine to wear things over and over again. But I'm gonna spend a month in the States and then I haven't decided where I'm going overseas yet, but I will be gone for the year. That is my plan right now. So I'm basically packing for a year, hence bringing all of my clothes. Well, not all of my clothes. Like this bag is going into storage and I already packed a ton. Well, not a ton, I don't really have that many clothes, but I already packed a large box of things for storage. And then out in the hall, you can see those are things that didn't make the cut and they're going to Goodwill. So I would say the majority of my things were donated. Anything that didn't fit or I didn't love or I don't know, got donated. It wasn't comfortable. So anyway, I'm packing for the summer. So I'm a little concerned because I already have this one completely full. This one is nearly full. This is like bras, underwear, what else is in there? Workout clothes, bathing suits, socks. So it's not full. So I can probably fit either sheets or towels in there. Cause I don't know about y'all, but I like my high thread count sheets. I'm gonna pack a set of sheets. I am. I'm only gonna pack one set of queen and I'm just gonna hope that I have a queen size bed. If I end up with a twin or a king or well, queen and double, interchangeable, right? If I end up with a king or a twin, then I'm stuck with their sheets. But anyway, this one's full. This one's about 80% full. Once I put the shoes in here, this will be about half full. And then I have one more. But I still have to pack linens, toiletries, because depending on where I end up, that's more important. If I end up in Asia, that's critical because they put bleaching creams in their products. So any kind of skin product, you can plan on have bleaching cream in there if you're in Asia. So obviously I'm not trying to bleach my skin. So I have to bring all the skin products. Plus I'm on like this regimen because I of a certain age. So toiletries, but also hair products. So that's also hard to get depending on where you live. And so I have to pack toiletries, makeup, and what else? Oh, and then tech equipment needs, well, that would probably be in my carry-on. And what else? I'm shipping books to my friend's house this summer because I have about 10 books that I really want to read. So I'm going to ship those media rate to my friend's house in the US, and I'm going to read them all summer. I told myself I was reading 12 books this year, and I've read 0, and it's June. That's why it was on there, because I don't really have the attention span lately to read. So those are being shipped, but they're not going to be brought with me when I go abroad. So anyway, let me get back to this, and I'll show you my progress in a little bit. Oops, I forgot these. I just bought these when I was in Los Angeles a couple of weeks ago. Cute. Do I think I'll wear these though when I'm in a tropical location? I don't know. What's your vote? I will leave them here. I did already pack 2 other pairs of black high sandals. In fact, why did I do that? You guys, I'm trying to remind myself that I'm packing for the year, but like I packed these, and I don't wear high shoes, but anyway, I bought these because I thought they were cute. So I have these, and I have some here also. I don't know. What do you think? Tell me what to do, but tell me fast because I'm leaving in 2 days. 3 days. Wait, today is, am I on camera? I'm using the back end camera. I'm leaving on Friday and today's Tuesday. So tell me in the comments, should I pack these shoes? Should I take these out? I'm going to a very hot tropical location. So are these kind of suede-y shoes the wrong vibe? But also, I'm not 100% sure where I'm going. So maybe I need them. Help. Do I pack hangers? I really, I intentionally went out and bought hangers that I loved. These hangers that are fuzzy so your clothes don't fall off. And I bought all the same hangers because I thought I was gonna be in this house for like 5 years, and I'm only in this house for a year and a half, but I got what I needed, and I like these hangers. What do you think? Should I pack them or not? And I just remembered that I have 2 sisters, and one of my sisters just got a new job, and the other sister said, hey, give her some of your clothes. So now I'm gonna pull out the work clothes out of here. There's a sweater and maybe 2 or 3 pairs of pants, and I'm gonna mail them to my sister as a gift. Flip-flops and sneakers. So, done with the shoes. Okay, so I have to pack, but I want to share. I'm going to mix a little oat milk creamer with coconut milk, which I transferred to this when I opened it, because I'm trying to use up the ingredients in my house. And I discovered that if you mix coconut milk, that's not coconut milk, that's the oat milk, and coconut milk into your coffee and then use a frother, it's really good. And I need energy. So yes, that's it. And yes, I heated up the milk to then make iced coffee. I don't know why. Guess what? You are allowed to change your mind. That's what I did. So I have my iced coffee and I'm gonna get back to packing. Tell me if I should keep the pink shoes for a tropical location. Tell me any comments to keep me motivated and encouraged on this horrific packing process. thank you. Follow along to see where I go. I'd love to have you come along on my journey. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.